Yes, man, you think it's wet tonight? Marcus says just wait until tomorrow morning, even more.
Yeah, so 3 days of rain, and we've had totals between about 1 to almost 3.5 inches. And I think we could get that same amount of rain in about a 6 to 8 hour span tomorrow.
That can be dangerous.
That can be dangerous, and that's a lot of water in a very short period of time. And it even comes at a worse time because people are going to be out on the roads getting the kids off to school and whatnot. And unfortunately, it's going to come through. After all of this is done, though, there's better weather to come. Look at the rainfall totals that we've had since Sunday. So we'll go and give you the 3-day totals now, and we'll talk about what's to come our way. We already have several areas that are above the 3.5-inch mark. Cartwright at 3.62. We're almost at 3 inches in northwest Wood County, approaching 3 inches at northwest Smith County. Here at the station, 2 1/4, almost 3 inches over at Tyler Pounds. East Texas Regional Airport at 1.5 inches. Same can be said right around the Henderson area. We've also had another batch of heavier rain from Timpson down toward Alazan, Priscilla, and Crockett. Those totals there, you notice 2 to almost 4 inches. And then once you get south of there, the rain amounts in deep East Texas up to 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So we're all on track to at least see another inch or two of rain, and the heaviest rain will be moving in for us tomorrow morning. Live Doppler radar for tonight, still looking at areas of rainfall that continue to push through. A couple of lightning strikes at times, but most of this rain is very steady and very light in nature, but the heaviest rain is going to move in later on tonight. Here's a look at Futurecast. We paused the clock at about 1 o'clock. I think the coverage of the rain is a little bit more than what the computer model indicates for us here in East Texas, but we will start to see some heavier bands of rain that will begin to pick up. It's a slow trend toward us to see a lot more rain to move in into tomorrow morning. This is 4 a.m. From Mount Pleasant all the way down to Athens. Futurecast does show a heavier swath of precipitation. These are the regions that have already seen at least 2 to almost 3, almost 4 inches of rain, and this is where some of that heavier rain will likely set up. And it's slowly working its way to the east, and everybody will pick up on this precipitation. So it is going to be most likely a very rough and treacherous morning as we get on the roads tomorrow because of the heavy rain reducing the visibility. And then on top of that, everybody getting on the road at the same time, and then all of this rain that continues to come down. Blinding rain will be expected, along with some thunderstorms that will move through. If you don't see it for the morning commute, places like deep East Texas might not see a whole lot through the morning rush. The rain will be moving your way. The intensity does begin to let up by midday and into the afternoon, then slowly beginning to clear off to our southeast as we get toward the early to mid-afternoon. After that, this rain will be over with, and we will finally be able to dry out, let some of that rain sink down into our rivers and, of course, into the ground. Here's where some of the heavier rainfall amounts are expected to take place from near Athens all the way up toward Interstate 30, maybe 2 to 3 or 4 inches of rainfall as a possibility. Elsewhere, up to 1 inch or maybe 2, but either way, we can expect a lot of rain to be expected tomorrow morning. So after that, it will let up and the sunshine will come back Thursday into Friday, a nicer end to the work week. And if you want warmer temperatures, well, it's coming late weekend and next week, but it does feature, yes, another chance for rain. Deep East Texas also going to see rain tomorrow, maybe not as much as our central and northern areas, but we're all in for precipitation tomorrow. Have our storm team app. We'll get you navigated through it in the morning.
Yeah, definitely be prepared. Okay, Marcus, thank you.